Okay, I just made a pot of rice. It's on. It's only about a cup, maybe a cup and a half, because as you know, we're cooking for one. Okay, so so we're cooking salmon this time, and I got a nice piece of salmon, skin on, skin off, doesn't matter. Okay. Now, one of the problems with cooking salmon is you can fry it in a pan and so on and so forth, but the whole place, in your particular case, the dorm or your room, starts smelling of fish, and maybe you don't, your friends don't want that, and your dorm mates don't want that. So what I do is I take a piece of parchment. Now you can use tin foil, but I prefer not to use metal unless it's the coated. They have this coated type of tin foil, non-stick tin foil, but I just prefer to use parchment. Okay, so all they're going to do is going to lay this down, and then I'm gonna. Now this is by choice. You don't have to. I like dabbling a little bit of. You can use powdered garlic, or in this case, I'm using fresh garlic in a jar. Keep it simple. And then taking some sesame seed oil, again optional, and pouring a generous amount on there. And then taking some furikaki. Now, a lot of recipes call for a little bit of furikaki, but since I know you like a lot, I put a lot. Okay, so that's it. And what we're going to do is we're just going to fold it up in no particular way. And what this will do, this will keep the smells and odors within the parchment and not in your room. Okay, and then we're going to toss this in here. I better use a saucer. There. Okay. Now the reason why I use a dish underneath is just in case this leaks. So at least it will just go in a dish. It still might be okay having the juices of the fish go into the rice. No big deal. I mean, you're gonna eat the fish with the rice anyway. But maybe your roommate wants to eat rice with you but doesn't want to eat fish. Okay, so the time it takes for this pot to cook the rice, this fish will steam along with it, 15 up to 20 minutes, and it'll be all contained in the wrapper.